ISO 27000 assessments with SAMMY. Go to sammy.codific.com. Log into your account, and then go to Manage Scopes to identify the scope for which you want to do a SAM assessment. An ISO 27000 assessment. In this case, I want to do it for Business Unit 1, for which I've already done a SAM assessment, and I can create an additional assessment in ISO 27000 and add it here. Now it is listed here. I can switch to this assessment, and if I go to the assessment, I will now have the questions of ISO 27002 controls. I will fill this out, and by default I will be in the quick view, which has everything listed on one page, so you can fill this out quickly. At the top you see the progress in this assessment. You can also provide remarks and recommendations on each one of the topics, and if you switch to detailed view, you have more options around documentation, linking controls, linking documentation and evidence, and you have a list of the timeline, the things that happened, and any controls that are linked here. As you populate this, your scores will start appearing here. This is the state of things. This is the historic growth, both in the past and projected looking forward, if you create forward-looking roadmaps. And if you have a certain target posture set, it will identify the gaps to your target posture. My name is Dag Flasche. I'm here to help you. Let me know if you have any questions.